And now I hear they're closing their office building. What do you hear from people inside of Twitter?
Yeah, it really feels.
Well, if Twitter locked down, that's no problem. In a Jamaica, we have a whole heap of bird. And when it come on to app, if we can't download app, we make app. We never stop. First option, we have the pato. Whether them say you're pretty or if them say you're ugly, anybody use the app here. It not have no bug. Next option, you have the command foul. Easy to catch, but you have to well train. It can use you on your yard. You have family plan, kids plan, command foul spaces for your podcast. You have the Barbel Dove app. It's a corporate app. You have to pay 200 US to get verified. Next option, you have the parrot. This one is best if you're a social commentator. If you chat enough, this app will chat back to you too. You can voice note and post on the parrot app. Next up, we have the national bird of Jamaica, the hummingbird app. This is one you have for everybody. Very colorful. You can post in a colors. In order for you to get verified, you have to give a history of the hummingbird. Then finally, we have the unofficial national bird of Jamaica, the jankro. Red and black color scheme, same way. For anybody who want to use anything one name jankro. This app pitch anyway. All if you not have Wi-Fi, even if your data not work, the app will still work. The jankro will all work on a Nokia because it pitch anyway. At the best of them.